My name is Anne-Cécile. I have spent my childhood in the French-speaking part of Switzerland, and then I moved to the United States about 20 years ago. So I've been living there ever since. And so I speak both languages, French and English, fluently, and I'd love to be able to teach both languages. I have a degree in education from the University of Geneva, Switzerland. And the way I like teaching is I like to teach people the way they learn best, which means some people learn best when they hear a language being spoken. Some people learn best when they can see it written on paper. And some people just like, both. They like to read and they like to hear, and they like to speak it. Some people just like speaking it and just, throwing themselves out. So it kind of depends on what student you have. I think that culture is very important. I understand both French and English culture, American culture. So I think this is very important to understand the culture of the language you're speaking. And I think that the integration of elements of culture is very important when you teach. For example, like music or movies, or talk about landmarks or traditions, things like this are essential when you learn a language. Also, I have homeschooled my children in French. I have 5. And I understand children and how they learn, and they're sponges, and you can just, as long as it's fun and entertaining and you change the material and you do different activities, they will learn anything, and it's amazing to see. And lastly, I want to say that I love traveling. I have traveled to many countries. And I think that communication between people is something that's just truly amazing. And I would love to help more people be able to communicate better with each other.